Just a short time ago in BCG's Global Innovation Survey, nearly 70% of business leaders named innovation their number one strategic priority, with nearly 90% planning to increase innovation spending. Now, the reasoning for this is because they saw something very clearly, that their ability to innovate was going to be the most important factor moving forward to generate growth and to develop a competitive edge. This was May of 2023, and since things have only continued to heat up, making the need for innovation greater than ever. And these 70% of business leaders don't want to just merely survive. They want to thrive. And I bet if you're watching this, so do you. Welcome back. I'm Derek Bennington. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you the rundown why business leaders see innovation as their number one strategic priority moving forward. And the top 3 things that you can do to start driving more innovation momentum into your business today. Let's get to it.